Hey guys, today I'll show you how we can make passive income by creating and selling these kinds of seamless patterns. First, go to FreePick and search for flower vector. Pick your favorite floral vector and download the file. Once downloaded, extract the zip file and open the .ai or .eps file directly in Adobe Illustrator. Now, from this asset bundle, simply select a single unique flower element that you want to use for your pattern. Copy the selected flower and paste it into a new document. Next, head over to the Object menu, go to Pattern, and click on Make. Boom, just like that, your basic pattern grid is ready. To make it look professional, let's tweak the Pattern Options panel. Change the tile type from grid to brick by row or whatever fits your style. Adjust the width and height slightly so the spacing looks perfect and the elements don't overlap. Once you're happy with it, click Done at the top bar. Your custom pattern is now saved right inside your swatches panel. To test it out, draw a large rectangle and apply your new pattern swatch as the fill. And there you have it, a seamless, high-quality floral pattern. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that follow and subscribe button.